In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall ThinkOrSwim. Whether you're on a Windows computer or an Android device, I've got you covered with detailed instructions. Let's dive into the process, starting with Windows. First, ensure that ThinkOrSwim is not currently running on your computer. This is important because it ensures a smooth uninstallation process. If the program is open, go ahead and close it now. Once you've done that, we're ready to proceed to the next step. Next, you'll want to open your computer's settings. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu at the bottom left of your screen and selecting Settings from the list. Once you have the Settings window open, move on to the Apps section. This area is where you'll manage the applications installed on your device. From the Apps menu, look for the option that says Installed Apps. If you're using an older version of Windows, you might see it listed as Apps and Features. This section contains a list of every application currently installed on your system. It's a handy place to manage or remove software. Scroll through the list until you find ThinkOrSwim. Once you locate it, you'll notice a small menu represented by 3 dots next to the application name. Click on this menu and you'll see the Uninstall option. Go ahead and select it to begin the uninstallation process. After choosing Uninstall, follow the on-screen prompts that appear. These prompts will guide you through the removal process, ensuring everything is done correctly. This confirmation step is crucial because it makes sure the application is entirely removed from your system. Now let's switch gears and focus on uninstalling ThinkOrSwim from an Android device. Open the Settings app on your Android phone or tablet. You'll find this app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Apps. This is where you'll manage all the apps on your Android device. Inside the Apps section, scroll through the list until you find ThinkOrSwim. Tap on it to open the application details. At this point, you'll see the Uninstall option. Tap Uninstall to remove the app from your device. A confirmation prompt will appear to ensure you want to proceed. Confirm your choice and the app will be uninstalled. Now, a quick expert insight. Some users prefer to remove leftover files after uninstalling the application. This step is optional but can be beneficial if you plan to reinstall ThinkOrSwim later. It ensures a completely clean slate for a fresh installation. To do this on Windows, you can navigate to your File Explorer and check for any remaining ThinkOrSwim folders. Deleting these folders can help prevent any residual settings from affecting a future install. On Android devices, leftover files are typically less of an issue, but it's always good to be thorough. And there you have it. We've successfully covered how to uninstall ThinkOrSwim on both Windows and Android devices. Remember, each step is designed to make the process as smooth and straightforward as possible. By following these instructions, you'll ensure that the application is entirely removed from your device. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.